Hi, Ed Ciarimboli from Fellerman Ciarimboli. Today I want to talk about cameras, just like I'm on camera right now. It is really the industry standard now to have both forward-facing cameras and driver-facing cameras. And one of the things that has come up recently in a number of cases that we have is that driver-facing camera, people are putting black tape over it, people are putting hats over them, or some of them are just turning them off. Do not do that. Those cameras are designed for safety. Those cameras now have artificial intelligence, machine learning, and they can catch and spot bad driver behavior, such as a driver falling asleep, driver being distracted, being on the phone, texting, whatever it may be. And now those images are sent in real time to the company, and you can proactively remove drivers who are displaying reckless behavior behind the wheel of a tractor trailer before a crash ever happens. So it is really critically important if you're an owner of a trucking company or you're a driver. Do not cover up the driver-facing camera. It's there for safety, and in the event that you didn't do anything wrong in a crash, it's going to show that as well. So my strong recommendation is those cameras, use them to their full capability, and then whenever you have a crash, make sure that you are preserving all of the video that camera has the capability to store. It is critically important pieces of evidence. So, I'm Ed Ciarimboli. If you have any questions, I can be reached at ejc@fclawpc.com or 570-718-1444.